Hey chic ladies, if you would like to see how I achieve this two-tone unit, keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The colors I use to achieve this two-tone unit is Kiss Colors Hunter Green and Adore Electric Lime. Let's get started. Okay, ladies, we are starting with the 613 unit. I will also be attaching the link below on how I tone this unit, and then I'll also be attaching the link if you're interested in purchasing this unit from my website. As you see, I have already sectioned off the unit so that I can add the color. The color that I'll be adding to the roots will be the Hunter Green by Kiss Colors, and towards the ends, I will be adding the Electric Lime by Adore Colors. Ladies, FYI, I love coloring units. I have a sense of peace, and I also enjoy doing it as well. So if you have any recommendations on colors, please comment below, and let's sit back and watch together. Right here, you will begin to see me add the Electric Lime Adore Colors towards the end. Towards the roots, I do have the Hunter Green by Kiss Colors, and now on the end, I am adding the Electric Lime. I cannot wait for you all to see the end results. It came out amazing. Do you ladies see that two-tone right there? I just love green. Green is money, baby. I will continue to do the same two-tone method on the rest of the unit. Keep watching. I figured you guys get the gist of it, so I went ahead and sped up the process. You will see that I have majority of the back completed. Keep watching. Now it's time to move on to the front of the unit. You will see that I used the same steps to complete and two-tone the rest of this unit, so keep watching. Now it's time to move on to coloring the other side of this unit. If you all are enjoying watching me color this unit as I am, please give this video a thumbs up. Now you will see me observing my work. I am going to go in on some areas and give it a touch up. Guys, do you all see this color? Oh my gosh, it came out so amazing. Keep watching to see the end results. This color came out so amazing, guys. I really enjoyed sharing this time with you all. If you would like to see more videos where I color or style, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.